everybody, it's Janine over at Slow Happy Vintage. I'm having a little bit of trouble with my mic, so I'm going to try this little one and hopefully it will work. Let's dig into a new bag of jewelry. I have a bunch of bags of jewelry on my desk that I've collected over the past several weeks, and I'm in the process of getting them all organized, sorted through, and listed. So I'm going to let you have a sneak peek before they hit eBay. In the process of doing these videos, I want to go over some of the things that I look for when I'm out sourcing for jewelry. There's some things I pick up, there's some things that I don't, and there are reasons for all of that. Now, this bag, this is kind of a repair bag, so with a few exceptions. So we'll go through this pretty quickly. A lot of these things I picked up just because they had really interesting stones. I have a antique store that has bins and bins of just bits and pieces. And so when I go through there, a lot of these pieces are not, they're not pieces of jewelry. They're just pieces that I can salvage stones from. Like in this case, there's a nice safety chain. There's some pink AB rhinestones in different shapes. There's marquise, there's baguettes, and some regular. So those are just pieces that I bought for salvaging rhinestones. Same with this. This is what they call kind of like a black diamond. It's almost like a large marcasite looking stone. And in case I need some of those, I'll have those on hand. And then, oh, this one came from the $3 bin, and it's a waterfall necklace. And I don't know who the maker is of it, but I just thought it was really pretty with those purple stones, amethyst glass. So anyway, I thought that was really pretty, and it's not going to sell for a tremendous amount. If anybody wants it for, say, I don't know, $15, $16, I would be happy. If I list it, I'll list it for probably $25 to $30. It is a very lovely necklace. This right here is a beautiful little compact. It's really small, delicate. It's got a little latch on it. When you open it up, there's a little mirror and a place for powder. I'm going to flash the name on the screen because I really don't know how to pronounce it. But anyway, when I first got this, I thought this was possibly inlaid, but this is a transfer right here. It's very cute, little flowers. It almost looks hand painted, but it is a transfer. You can tell it's a transfer when you look through your loop. You can see the little pixelation of the transfer when it was printed. If it were hand painted, you'd actually see the brush strokes. So always bring your loop and look for pixelation. Now the back is machined. This is the type of machining that if they were to enamel over it, it would be called guilloche enamel. Really cute little compact. It was in the $3 bin, and I just couldn't resist bringing it home. I just grabbed this because of these kind of odd shaped pearls on there. They're faux pearls, but a lot of older pieces will have those pearls on them. So in case I ever need some for repair, that's what I got those for. And then this was also in the dollar lot. I just thought it was a beautiful pendant, and I'll go ahead and put that on a chain. Not marked, don't know who made it, but it's very nice. These earrings, these are Joan Rivers earrings, and they were in the $3 section. Some people love Joan Rivers, other people don't. I think she's got some nice pieces, and these are nice little earrings. They're glass. They're a decent weight, they're substantial, but without being overly heavy for your ears. I'm not sure what I'm going to list those at. I'll have to do some research on them. Then a little fleur-de-lis, which was in the dollar section. Just cute. Little scatter pin. This is a little bit more special. So this was $5, but it is a shoe button Coro. I don't think I've ever seen a shoe button Coro before. So I'm going to have to do research on this. This could be something pretty special. I have seen shoe button Trafaris, and they are late 30s, early 40s. So I don't know. That was kind of a trend back then. So I'm not sure how old this pin is, but it looks to be fairly old with that shoe button design. And when I say shoe button, that's these little stones right here, the green ones with the little center rhinestone. They call those shoe button stones. Okay, and the last thing is another, I believe this is Coro. You Coro? Yes, I think you're Coro. Are you marked? Should be marked, but are you is the question. Yes, here's another Coro enamel necklace. I'm a little bummed because I went to one antique store and this was on the $3 rack and it had been there for weeks and I kept thinking, should I get it? Should I not? Should I get it? Should I not? And nobody was buying it and I thought, it's a nice little necklace and it deserves a home. So I did buy it for $3. Then I went to another antique store and the same vendor had the matching earrings, but I didn't buy the matching earrings. I was kind of sad. If I go back there again and I find them, I'll pick them up. That's it. Really short and sweet. Shall I do a couple more? Let's see what's in here. Yeah, we'll do this one. This is garage sales. And all of these things were just $1 a piece. What did we find? We found, oh, this piece is a lovely, oh, who makes you? Oh, this is a listener. So listener has a few different levels. This is one of the nicer listeners I found. It was in excellent shape, except I believe it's missing its little chain. I didn't realize till it got home that it's missing the chain on this side. So this is a repair piece. I don't know if I'll be able to find and match that chain, but look how pretty the actual necklace is. So I'll stick that in my repair pile and see if I can't make it repairable. Then I found this is Sarah Coventry. Sarah Coventry, very sparkly ring for $1. And this is the one I'm thinking of. This one it has a Givenchy tag on it. This is newer Givenchy, and I'm going to have to check the authenticity of this piece. It's not a high-end Givenchy, obviously, but it's very high quality, and it's like a gunmetal gray with these lovely headlamp sort of rhinestones on it. More research has to be done on this one. So I paid $1 for it, but I can't say what value it might be at this point. And then the last piece I found is a Trifari, signed Trifari right there, and it's a plastic or lucite beaded. I think it does have some glass beads on it as well. These are glass, these are glass, these are lucite. And, 50s style, 50s, 60s style. I do need to put this little thing back on, which is no big deal. Also, we'll have to do some research on that one as well. All right, I think we'll sign off for today. Do you enjoy these little short little jewelry jams with Janine, or do you prefer the longer format? I kind of like doing both, so let me know what you think. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.